As many of you already know, you're currently watching the ID Blueprint channel. On this channel, we share detailed master prompts for both short and long videos. And the best part is that everything is completely free. We only use free AI tools to create our content, so you don't need any paid software to follow along. In today's video, I'll show you how to create micro camera style videos of insects and small animals using only free AI tools. This niche is growing incredibly fast right now and has huge viral potential. So it's a great opportunity to start early before the trend becomes too competitive. For this tutorial, you'll receive a complete master prompt, and you can find the link to it in the description below. Just open the link and copy the full prompt so you can follow each step easily. This master prompt works as a universal template, which means you can generate many different insect or small animal videos using just this single prompt. Make sure you copy the entire prompt carefully before moving to the next step. After copying it, open ChatGPT. Don't worry, we're using the free version, not the paid plan. If you see the Get Plus button on your screen, that means you're already using the free version. As always on this channel, we focus on tutorials that anyone can follow without paying for expensive tools. Once you paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, it will automatically generate a list of 15 different insects or small animals. From that list, you can choose any one you like. If you want to create a video about something that isn't listed, for example ants, you can simply type the name and it will still work. For this tutorial, let's say we want to create a termite video. If termite appears at number 15 in the list, simply type 15 and send it. If you want a different insect or animal, you can just type its name directly instead. As soon as you send the message, ChatGPT will generate one prompt for creating the base image and 5 motion prompts that will be used to animate the image into a video. The process is simple. First we create the image, and after that, we use the motion prompts to generate the video. For both image creation and video animation, we'll use the free version of Grok AI. If you ever reach a daily limit or encounter any issue while using Grok AI, don't worry. I've already explained another method for using Grok AI without limits in a different video, and that tutorial is linked in the description. To generate the image, go to the Grok Imagine section. Copy the full image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the Type to Imagine field. Select Image, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and then click Generate. After a few seconds, Grok will create a high-detail image. Choose the one you like the most. To animate it, click the Edit icon, then select the Make Image Move option. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the first motion prompt. Paste it into the box. Make sure the aspect ratio remains 9:16, and click Generate. This will produce your first video clip. If you're happy with the result, you can continue to the next step. If not, you can simply regenerate it until you get a better output. Once the clip looks good, upscale the video to improve its quality. After the upscaling is finished, click the Extend from Frame option. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second motion prompt, paste it into the box, and generate again. This will smoothly extend the video from the last frame while keeping the quality consistent. Repeat the same process for the remaining motion prompts. Each time, upscale the clip, extend from the last frame, paste the next prompt, and generate again until all prompts are completed. After finishing all the steps, your final video will be ready. Simply upscale the final result one more time and download it to your device. I'm not going to show how to add background music or how to import and export the video, because that would only make the tutorial longer without adding much value. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.